In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a payment for your Amazon store card. It's a straightforward process that will take just a few minutes, perfect for those busy days when efficiency is key. Let's dive in by opening your web browser and navigating to Amazon.com. It's a site we're all familiar with, filled with countless products and deals, but today we're focusing on managing your Amazon finances. Your first step is to click on the Sign In button, usually found at the top right corner of the page. If you're not already logged in, go ahead and enter your email and password. This will take you to your personalized Amazon homepage. Once you're signed in, you'll find yourself on Amazon's homepage, where the latest and greatest products are highlighted, but you'll want to look for Account and Lists, also located at the top of the page. Hover your mouse over that and a drop-down menu will appear. Here within the list, select the option that reads Your Payments. Clicking here takes you to the section where all your financial transactions are housed. In this section, you should see an option titled View All Transactions, Manage Payment Methods and Settings. This is the hub for all things related to payments and financial information on Amazon. Click on this option and you'll be taken to a comprehensive dashboard displaying various payment options and activities. Now you're almost there. Look for the option to add a payment method. This is crucial if you haven't set up any payment methods yet or wish to update your existing ones. Following this, you'll want to click on the link for the Amazon Store card. This is where you can make a payment on your card. Here you'll see options to view statements, payments due, and other important details regarding your Amazon Store card account. Make sure everything is accurate and up to date. Incorrect information could lead to missed payments or errors. Once you've confirmed the details, follow the prompts to enter the amount you wish to pay and method of payment. Double check everything before submitting. It's always good to verify your information to avoid any mishaps. Once submitted, you'll receive confirmation that your payment has been processed, and there you have it, a quick and easy way to keep your Amazon store card in good standing. Keeping up with these payments not only ensures you can enjoy the benefits of your Amazon store card without any stress, but it also helps in maintaining a good credit score. Thanks for following along, and if you found this helpful, be sure to check out more of our guides for staying on top of your financial game.